Hello, and here we are on the seventh story element, which is generous delivery. And this is very important in terms of the tone and the way that you communicate the story that you're telling. So generous delivery is what we do to make it as effortless as possible for our audience to listen to our story. We work hard to make it as entertaining as possible. And we do that in lots of different ways. So it might be through body language, really animated body language, or facial expressions, or the tone of voice that we use. It might be that we give our audience a little bit of gossip to pass on, or maybe we aim to make our audience laugh. Whatever it is, we work very hard when it's one-to-one, because it becomes a personal project to entertain and engage the person opposite to us. We up our game when we tell a story. We also give something of ourselves. So if I'm working with clients, I will always ask them to pair up and tell a story. And then I will ask them, do you feel more connected to the person who told you a story? And the answer is always yes. So people who stand up on stage or sit in front of a screen nowadays and successfully engage large groups of people have learnt to use that generous delivery outside of their storytelling safe space. So they are still putting all their energy into engaging one person, even though there are 200 people watching. This skill has never been more important, because we're now all, as you know, communicating on our laptops and our tablets with the camera on or off, depending on what our Wi-Fi is like. And it's going to be, I'd say, one of the hardest adaptations for some people of lockdown life. It's a very different way of communicating than delivering on a podium to a large audience. But it's possible to adapt. So I would start by thinking about how you tell a story, and then working out how you can bring some of that spirit into your Zoom personality. Or if you like, give me a call and we could do it together. Well, I hope you found the Story Basics course useful and start to use those elements in everything you do. I would love to hear how it's going for you. Drop me an email and tell me how you're unlocking the power of stories. And thank you for joining us in this lockdown life. Bye-bye.